Om Shri Sai Ram. Previous class we have studied about magnetic field and properties of magnetic field lines. And in a straight conductor, if current pass through a straight conductor, it experiences magnetic field. What is the pattern of that magnetic field? Let's see. So, magnetic field due to a current through a straight conductor. Straight conductor means this is a straight conductor. Now, this is a conductor, it is a straight conductor. Yes. Now, if a current pass through this straight conductor, it experiences magnetic field. In the last class, we have seen one experiment, a conductor which experiences magnetic field. Now, it is a straight conductor. Yes, it is a straight conductor. If current pass through this conductor, it experiences magnetic field. This is the diagram. It shows magnetic field due to a current through a straight conductor. Now this is a straight conductor. It is connected to rheostat. We can change the current. We can change the amount of current. Then it is a ammeter, and these are called battery, and this one is switch or key. If it is connected, now it is a straight conductor, it is connected to a battery. Now, if we switch on, the current pass through this conductor. Current pass through the conductor means it experiences magnetic field. We know that it experiences magnetic field. What is the pattern of that magnetic field? This is the pattern. What is the pattern? This one, the concentric circles. What is the pattern of the magnetic field produced in a straight conductor when current it pass through them? In the form of concentric circles. The diameter is different. The radius is different for different circles, but center is same. So the pattern formed magnetic field due to a current through a conductor is concentric circle. Then if we increase the amount of current using rheostat, if we increase the amount of current, now just place one magnetic compass here, then we get deflection. If we increase the current, the deflection is more. When current is increased means the deflection also increases. What it indicates? The deflection is more means the magnetic field so produced is highest. When it is highest, if we increase the current, the magnetic field also increases. This is a very important concept. What is the concept? If we increase the amount of current in this circuit or in a conductor, the amount of magnetic field also increases. For example, what we have to do? Place one magnetic compass near to this, then there is a deflection. Why there is a deflection? Why magnetic compass shows the deflection? Because of magnetic field. If we increase the current, then deflection is highest. If we decrease the current, then the deflection is lowest. Deflection also decreases. So it is directly proportional. What is directly proportional? The current and magnetic field is directly proportional. If we increase the amount of current, then the magnetic field also increases. If we decrease the current, then magnetic field also decreases. Another thing, now place one magnetic compass near to the conductor. Where we have to place? This is, for example, this is a compass. This is called compass. If I place near to the conductor, this compass shows deflection. It shows more deflection. Then we move this compass away from the conductor, then deflection is less. The same amount of current, there is no change of current in this situation. The same amount of current is flowing in the circuit. If we place near to the conductor, then there is a more deflection. Then we move away from this compass, then the deflection is less. What it indicates? Near the conductor there is highest magnetic field. Then it goes away from the conductor, the magnetic field it will decreases. This is also important concept. So this is the magnetic field due to a current through a straight conductor. Right hand thumb rule. In a straight conductor, the current flows, there is a movement of current, then it shows magnetic field. What is the direction of the magnetic field? It is in the form of concentric circle. So what is the pattern of the magnetic field? Concentric circle, in the form of concentric circle. Now we have to know what is the direction of that magnetic field. For this, there is one rule that is called right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule. Now, kept the straight wire or straight conductor in this pattern. Now, thumb which shows the direction of current. The thumb which shows the direction of current. Now, this is the direction. What about this one? The rest of the fingers, these 4 fingers, which shows the direction of magnetic field. This is called right hand thumb rule. What is the right hand thumb rule? Kept the current carrying conductor in a right hand, then thumb, this one is called thumb which shows the direction upward. So this is the direction of the current. Then rest of 4 fingers, these fingers shows the direction of magnetic field. Yes, now tell me, what is the direction of current in this case? The current flows in upwards. What is the direction of magnetic field? Like this, because these fingers shows like this. So the direction is, this is the anti-clockwise direction. If I keep like this, now what is the direction of current? Now current moves downwards and this one is clockwise direction. So magnetic field is clockwise. This is called right hand thumb rule. What is right hand thumb rule? The thumb which indicates the direction of electric current and the rest of the fingers which indicates the direction of magnetic field. This rule is called right hand thumb rule. This rule is called right hand thumb rule. From using this, we can find the direction of the magnetic field and electric current. This rule is right hand thumb rule. Now, magnetic field due to a current through a circular loop. What is the difference between straight conductor and circular loop? Now this is a straight conductor. If I make like this, then it becomes circular loop. This is called circular loop. The difference is, this is a straight conductor. If I make like this, then it becomes circular loop. It means it is a coil. The turns, there is a turn. It is a coil. So in circular loop, what is the pattern of magnetic field? Every conductor which experiences magnetic field. In a straight conductor which also experiences magnetic field, what is the pattern? It is in the form of concentric circle. Now next question is, when we make circular loop like this is a circular loop like this, then if current pass through this circular loop, how magnetic field lines are formed? At the pole, these are the 2 poles. They just behave like a bar magnet. These are the poles. This one is the pole and this one is the pole. This is the upper pole and the lower pole. At the poles, in a circular loop, at the poles, there is a concentric circles. How magnetic field lines are formed? In the form of concentric circles. Just look at this. These are the concentric circles. Below pole, it is also in the form of concentric circles. After the circles, that circle, the radius or the diameter which increases, so they look like this. It means they are also a circle. They are also a circle. Then the circle, the diameter is increasing from pole. Now another circle, so they look like this. But at the center, the magnetic field lines look like a straight line. They look like a straight line. Then in this pole, there is a concentric circle. After that, the diameter is increasing. The diameter is increasing. Then this one is the greater circle, the big circle. Why? Because the diameter is increasing and straight line. This is the pattern of a magnetic field due to a current through a circular loop. If it is a circular loop, when current pass through this circular loop, what is the pattern of magnetic line? This is the pattern. At the poles, there is a concentric circle, then the diameter of the circle is increasing and at the middle, It look like a straight line. This is the magnetic field due to a current through a circular loop. Now one idea. Now only one circular loop. If we increase the loops, if we increase the number of turns, then we get many more magnetic field lines. Why? Now only one turn. If we increase 4 turns, if we increase 4 times, there is a 4 circular loop. 4 turns, 4 coils means the magnetic field also increases 4 times. So that requires more number of coils. In every motor or dynamo, there is a more number of turns or no more number of coils are formed. Why? Because if turns is increased, the coil is increased, the circular loop is increased means the magnetic field lines also increases. If circular loop increases 2 times means the magnetic field also increases 2 times. So they are directly proportional to each other. The next concept is magnetic field due to a current in a solenoid. The solenoid, it is idea about different circular loops and we are producing more magnetic field. This is the idea about solenoid. What is solenoid? This shows solenoid structure. Why it is called solenoid structure? A coil of many circular turns, insulated copper wrapped closely in the shape of cylinder. Many circular coils, many circular. This is the coil, this is also a coil, circular coil. They are wrapped in a cylinder shape. That is called solenoid. What do you mean by solenoid? A coil of many circular turns. The coil of many circular turns, insulated copper wire wrapped closely in the shape of cylinder. So circular coils in the shape of cylinder, they are wrapped. They are called solenoid. So there are more number of turns. There is more number of turns. It means more number of circular loops. Therefore, they produce a maximum number of magnetic field. That is called solenoid. A coil of many circular turns of insulated copper wire wrapped closely in the shape of cylinder is called solenoid. Now, in this, more number of magnetic field is produced. If we introduce one iron content or a iron material inside the solenoid, then this iron becomes magnet. Why they become magnet? Because of the magnetic field produced by the solenoid. ಇದರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಾವೇನು ಒಂದು ಐರನ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟನ್ನು, ಐರನ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲನ್ನು ಇದರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಕಾಯಿಲನ್ನು ಸುತ್ತಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಐರನ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಏನಾಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. If we introduce iron material inside the solenoid or the number of turns, that coils, they are wrapped to that iron material, then that iron material becomes magnet. Why they become magnet? Because of the magnetic field produced in the solenoid. That is called electromagnets. So electromagnets, we are producing electromagnet from solenoid. This is electromagnets. So in this class we have studied some of the different types of magnetic field produced by a straight conductor and a circular loop, then in a solenoid. Write some questions. What do you mean by solenoid? Next question, what is electromagnet? Another question, draw a diagram of a current carrying solenoid coil is used to magnetize steel rod inside it, an electromagnet. These are the questions. Sai Ram.